Yo, what's the vibes, y'all? We got a brand new group to check out when it comes to the K-pop choreography, you feel me? And I'm talking about ONF, y'all, which is short for on and off. So shout outs to Neff for putting me onto this group and for letting me know what ONF stands for. Now also, y'all, we gonna have Enhypen, Victon, and Rain and JYP, y'all. That's right, Rain and JYP. I ain't never really get to see JYP dance before, so this is my chance, y'all. You feel me? Let's do this shit. Let's see what ONF's working with, y'all. I'm feeling the bass line. Hey, hold on, y'all. One of the members that's dancing solo, it looked like he controlling their movements with his hands, which is something that I see in a lot of K-pop choreography, but I still like it though. That shit is fire, y'all. Come on. Hey. We hear like some robotics, some type of machinery in the beat, and there was an instance when they were moving like robots, so I definitely appreciate that shit. Let's get it. Hey, they body control serious. Okay. Now the guy that was up front with the all black on black cap, his waving of his body and his arms, he was really getting it with that, y'all, for real. Is he a main dancer? Let me know, y'all. Hey, look at the synchronization. Nice. Okay. Hey, let's go, y'all. Yo, you can't tell me they just didn't kill the beat, y'all. They really broke it down with they dance. Watch. Much respect, y'all. They could have just ended this shit right there. Let's go. Nah, this was official. ONF, they got potential, y'all. We gonna have to hit that thumbs button all the way the fuck up, and we subbing, y'all. It's that simple. I'm a believer. I got another dance practice from them to check out. I'm definitely gonna check that shit out. Let's go see what's up with our next video. Turn up. This is Victon, y'all. The musicality to the piano, the chord progression. Hey! Yo, look how they hitting the moves when we hear the snap in the beat, y'all. They mean business. Come on. They were dancing, matching that man's pattern with his raps, y'all. Look. See? Shit looking smooth. Hold on, y'all. They just matched the drum beat with their hands when they use their fists to knock on their palm. Watch. Hey. What's up, Victon? Come on. Let's go. Chill, y'all. The way that they moving, this is really smooth, y'all. They have a lot of control over their movement. I respect this shit. Look at them, y'all. Yo, your boy in the front is like he's walking on air. Let's keep going, y'all. Let's go. Much respect. Nice. He putting a lot of feeling into his dance moves, y'all. The guy with the black long sleeve. Hey. What's up? Hey. Hey. Bodying this shit. Let me bring it back some, y'all. Why do I have a feeling that this guy up front could go even harder with the dance moves? Let me know, y'all, if that's the case, because it looked like he be wanting to snap. Hey, I like that. Yo, hold on, y'all. You see how they got when them high notes came on? 2 members in the middle. They feeling this shit. Come on. Hey. Yeah, they all did a good job, y'all. But your boy with the black long sleeves, y'all, he was dancing like his life depended on it. Let's hit that thumbs button all the way the fuck up. Let me know how you felt about this dance practice in the comments down below. This is Enhypen, y'all. Paradox, Invasion. Let's see what's up.
We're back!
Okay. I ain't gonna lie to you, y'all. It looked like they swagging out this choreography right here. Kinda look like they freestyling, just having fun on some hip-hop style shit. But I know for sure, y'all, that they practice a lot to do this dance. It just looked natural. Hey. Let's go. I'm feeling the synchronization, yeah. Oh, hold on, they deadass had their arms folded on some old hip-hop style shit. Like a break dancer. Okay. Now I'm looking, y'all, and your boy in the hoodie, to me, if I had to guess why he was up front, nobody was waving like him, y'all. Watch. He hitting that shit different. Hey. Oh, he did a knee spin? Let's go, Enhypen. They're doing their thing, y'all. Hold on, it looked like some of them was doing different moves right there, but I think that was done on purpose. Right here. Hey, Harlem Shake, y'all. It was fast, but they did it. Let's go. I thought it was done, y'all. I think it's done now. I did notice they did the Harlem Shake, and I noticed that in a lot of K-pop choreography, you feel me? When the Harlem Shake came out, y'all, we wasn't playing with that shit. It's either you could do it or you can't. So anytime I see somebody do it that does it justice, I gotta give them the credit. Let's check out our final video. Yo, shout out to K Dance Mirror for having this video up on their channel. I already went and subscribed to them to show them the support. Without further ado, y'all, this is Rain And JYP, I'm finally gonna get to see JYP in a dance practice. Let's go, y'all.
네가 너무 아까워 네 남잘 본 적은 없어도 뭐라 설명할 순 없어도 네 옆에 내가 맞는 것 같아.
This is the guy from Gang, y'all. You know about that song. Now, hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. JYP really doing this? Hey. Yo, the beat remind me of a song called Every Little Step by Bobby Brown. And some of the dance moves too, y'all, is definitely from that era. I didn't know he could give it up like this, y'all. I really didn't. He moving. I already know Rain can dance, y'all. The most I've ever seen of JYP dancing was when ITZY was showing him their choreography and he was trying to show them how they should go about doing some type of movement. I really didn't know he could give it up like this, y'all. We're watching JYP dance in JYP's dance studio. Couldn't make this shit up if I wanted to, y'all. Nah, y'all. He rapping too? I don't believe this shit.
절대로 널 혼자 두지 않아. Let me love you and hold ya. 날 봐 지금 이 기회 다시금 오지 않을지도 몰라. 그런 이금 반지 바라보지 말고 나만을 바라봐. 내 눈 속에 비치는 네 미소를 봐봐.
He sings, he raps, he dances. What else he does, y'all? He make beats too? Yo, somebody let me know, cause it seems like this man does a lot. This shit crazy. You know what it is for me, y'all? It's because you probably know about JYP before he is the person that he is today. You feel me? I just got into K-pop about 2 years ago. So it's hard for me to know that he's this good. But I see it, y'all. I see what's up. I see why his groups be doing what they do. Let's keep moving forward. I'd be lying to y'all if I said JYP couldn't dance. Cause y'all saw it yourselves, he was up there doing it. Let's hit that thumbs button all the way the fuck up. Shout outs to K Dance Mirrored once again for having this on their channel, cause I couldn't find it anywhere else, y'all. I go by the name of A. And remember, I'm here now. Until next time.